Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. We are starting with Nasdaq daily chart, and exactly what I was talking about and what I was predicting. I shared that I was watching the support levels to the downside and then act accordingly. And yeah, we had these weeks, but the trend is downwards. We have pulled back a lot. We are out of the daily Bollinger Band, and we touched the bottom, my bottom target. So I'm watching on Monday. I'm watching this area. What's going to happen? I expect to have a pullback to the upside. Come back to 14,592. I'm watching what's going to happen there. If we can break to the upside, we might come back to first of all to this area, which was, I believe, 14,400 or so. But also spend time here in this area. If we break to the downside, then I need to have new price targets. Wow. Let's just go over to the... Shall I go over to the weekly or just... these are little... Yeah, maybe I can draw that little support areas. Let me see. So here could be a little target 13,848, then 13,481, but then of course a big target is this area here, actually 12,970, so actually 13,000. Yeah, so I'm watching that area that I shared with you and see what's going to happen there, but it's possible that we will have a pullback to the upside. Let's go over to Sp500 daily chart. This is the daily chart on the Sp500, and I shared with you this head and shoulder pattern. It's playing out very well. My price target hasn't been hit yet. It's down here, and in fact I think we could continue this downwards trend to hit 4,320. Should we break down below there, then 4,263 is my next price target. So I'm watching this area. It is possible that we hit my price target and come down to this support area. Let's go over to Dow Jones. That's the daily chart on Dow Jones, and here it is very possible that we come down to this support area. First 33,943 and then 33,683, and the last one for me is 33,397. So we can hit all these. This is the first support area for me, around around 34,000 actually. We are almost there. So, but we could still, on Monday we could still come here, and of course I'm watching these areas. Shall we break down, then the next price target is over there. Let's go over to German index. That's the daily chart on the German index, and now we had a big pullback to the downside. 20-day EMA is coming down fast to hit the 50-day EMA. We came down below this support. Of course, this was a short sign for me, and my target is actually 15,406, and we are not there yet. And there, I will be watching what's going to happen. We might, shall we break down, then 15,300. Shall we break down, then this area is my next price target here. The last one is 14,915. It is very possible, because these are sort of small resistances, support lines. It is very possible that we come down to this area. In fact, this wedge is suggesting that we are coming down at least to 15,300, but probably, most probably, to this previous low area. Let's go over to Japan and Japanese index. That's the daily chart on the Japanese index, and we came below this support zone. That's a bad sign, and now we are spending time there, but yeah, let me just draw something here. This could also be a falling wedge, a big falling wedge, suggesting that eventually we will turn around and come back to the top. We will see when that happens. But right now the next target here is actually right here. 26,996, so around 27,000 level. Oh, that's a big one. I don't need it. I need this is not a strong support, so I'm just trying to draw this here, and eventually we could hit 26,824. So yeah, I'm watching these levels. Let's go over to Russel. It very often happens that we have a false break to the upside, then come back down to the bottom of this range, and eventually break to the downside. We hit this support level and came under it, so we are going to continue most probably to 1923 under that 1880. Should we fall below 1880, then 1746 or 50, something like that, is my price target. That's all for now. See you next time.